In this video, we listed the 20 best unique electric bike for cosplay on Amazon that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name, Folding Electric Bike. The folding electric bike for adults is a versatile, high-performance commuter and all-terrain bike designed for convenience, power, and long-distance travel. This model features a peak 1000 W motor and a 48 V20R lithium battery, allowing riders to reach speeds of up to 30 miles per hour and travel distances of up to 80 miles on a single charge, ideal for both urban commutes and weekend adventures. Equipped with 20-inch fat tires and front suspension, this bike is built for all-terrain performance, offering superior traction and comfort whether you're navigating city streets, gravel paths, or off-road trails. The 7-speed gear system adds flexibility for various riding conditions, while the step-through frame ensures easy mounting and dismounting, especially helpful for riders of all ages and mobility levels. Its foldable design enhances portability and storage convenience, perfect for apartment dwellers, RV travelers, or those who commute with public transportation. The bike is UL certified, ensuring a high standard of safety and reliability in its electrical components. Product 2. Product name, Haybike Ranger S Electric Bike. The Kuroma Peak 1200W electric scooter with seat is a versatile and robust e-scooter designed for adults and teens seeking a comfortable and efficient commuting solution. Equipped with a powerful 750W brushless hub motor, peaking at 1200W, it achieves speeds up to 20 miles per hour and handles inclines up to 20 degrees, making it suitable for various terrains. Key features. Performance. The scooter's 500Wh lithium battery offers a range of up to 30 miles on a single charge, ideal for daily commutes or leisurely rides. Comfort and stability. With 14-inch pneumatic tires and dual suspension, it ensures a smooth ride over uneven surfaces. The wide, shock-absorbing seat and 9-inch deck provide added comfort. Safety. Front and rear disc brakes deliver reliable stopping power. High-brightness LED headlights and taillights enhance visibility during night rides. Convenience. The foldable handlebar design allows for easy storage and transport. An included basket adds practicality for shopping or carrying personal items. Product 3. Product name, Haybike Ranger S Electric Bike. The Haybike Ranger S Electric Bike is a high-performance, foldable e-bike designed for adult riders seeking a powerful, versatile, and commuter-friendly option. Featuring a peak 1400W motor, this step-through electric bicycle delivers impressive acceleration and torque, making it ideal for tackling hills, city streets, and rugged paths alike. Equipped with 20-inch by 4.0-inch fat tires, the Ranger S ensures a stable, smooth ride across various terrains, including sand, snow, and gravel. The 48V14.4 removable battery offers ample range for daily commuting or longer recreational rides, while the foldable frame adds convenience for storage and transport, especially for those with limited space or who use public transportation. The bike's 7-speed gear system works in tandem with a hydraulic front suspension fork, providing excellent control, comfort, and adaptability to changing road conditions. As a step-through frame design, it enhances ease of mounting and dismounting, particularly helpful for riders who prefer a more accessible geometry. Product 4. Product name, Electric Bike for Adults. The electric bike for adults is a powerful and versatile e-bike designed for adventure seekers, daily commuters, and outdoor enthusiasts. With its 20-inch by 4-inch fat tires, this model is built for stability and all-terrain performance, making it suitable for sand, snow, mountains, and urban streets alike. At its core, the bike features a 1450W peak motor that propels riders up to 35 miles per hour, delivering an exhilarating yet efficient riding experience. This is paired with a 48 V20R, 960Wh, removable lithium battery, enabling a maximum range of up to 80 miles on a single charge under ideal conditions, perfect for extended rides or full-day excursions. Safety and control are ensured with a choice of hydraulic or mechanical disc brakes, offering reliable stopping power in all conditions. Additionally, the bike includes a 7-speed gear system, allowing for smooth transitions across various terrains and inclines. Product 5. Product name FRP Mini Dirt Bike. The FRP Mini Dirt Bike GMB 100 is a gas-powered off-road mini bike designed for both kids and adults, offering a balance of power, safety, and adventure. This compact trail bike features a 99 cubic centimeters per stroke engine that delivers up to 3 horsepower, allowing it to reach speeds of up to 24 miles per hour. Built for rugged terrain, it's ideal for off-road fun, whether on trails, dirt paths, or open fields. With a sturdy steel frame, the FRP GMB 100 is designed to support riders up to 185 pounds, making it versatile for a wide age and size range. Its low-profile seat height and easy pull-start operation make it particularly beginner-friendly, while the rear disc brake system ensures reliable stopping power and safety. The 4-stroke engine offers lower emissions and better fuel efficiency compared to 2-stroke alternatives, making it a more eco-conscious choice for recreational riding. Product 6. Product name Mooncool Electric Tricycle. The Mooncool Electric Tricycle for adults is a versatile and powerful 3-wheeled electric bike designed to provide stability, convenience, and performance for adult riders. Available in 500W and 750W motor options, with a peak power output of 1100W, this electric trike is ideal for those seeking a reliable mode of transportation for commuting, errands, or leisurely rides. Built with a durable aluminum frame, the Mooncool Trike features 20-inch wheels and a folding design, making it practical for storage and transport despite its larger size. A key highlight is its removable 48V battery, which offers convenience when recharging and allows for extended range depending on terrain and usage. The tricycle includes a large rear basket, perfect for carrying groceries, supplies, or personal belongings, making it particularly well suited for seniors, delivery needs, or eco-friendly local transport. Its 3-wheel design enhances balance and control, providing a safer ride for those who may find traditional bicycles challenging. Product 7. Product name Electric Bike for Adults. The electric bike for adults is a powerful and stylish transportation option that combines performance, durability, and a retro aesthetic ideal for both urban commuting and off-road adventures. With its 1500W peak motor, this electric motorcycle-style e-bike reaches speeds up to 28 miles per hour, providing a thrilling yet practical ride for daily travel or weekend explorations. Equipped with a 48V18 or high-capacity battery, it offers an impressive range of up to 60 miles on a single charge, depending on riding conditions and mode. The 7-speed gear system gives riders flexibility to handle a variety of terrains, while the 20-inch by 4.0-inch fat tires ensure superior traction, shock absorption, and stability, whether riding on city streets, dirt trails, or snowy paths. The retro-inspired frame design not only enhances visual appeal but also ensures a comfortable and ergonomic riding experience. Product 8. Product name Moped Style Electric Bike. A moped-style electric bike is a unique blend of classic motorbike aesthetics and modern electric bicycle functionality, designed to deliver both performance and comfort for a variety of terrains. Unlike traditional e-bikes, these models offer a rugged, vintage-inspired frame with an upright riding posture, often including a padded seat and foot pegs for a motorcycle-like experience. This category is ideal for riders seeking an e-bike that balances power, style, and utility, whether for commuting, adventure riding, or recreational use. One standout example in this category is the 1500W moped-style electric bike tailored for adult riders. This model is built for serious performance with a 1500W high-torque brushless motor, delivering rapid acceleration and power, enabling riders to conquer steep hills and uneven trails with ease. With a top speed of up to 32 miles per hour, it comfortably surpasses most standard e-bikes, making it suitable for riders who crave speed and performance. Product 9. Product name Huffy Green Machine 20-inch Drift Trike. The Huffy Green Machine 20-inch Drift Trike is an exciting and dynamic ride-on toy designed for kids aged 8 and up who crave action and style. With its sleek ergonomic design and adjustable seat, it offers a comfortable and customizable fit for growing riders. Built with a durable steel frame, the trike ensures long-lasting performance while handling the thrills of drifting. The large 20-inch front tire provides superior control, while the wide rear wheels allow for smooth spins and controlled slides, making it ideal for adventurous riders. Equipped with LED light accents, the Trike not only looks sharp in its bold green and black color scheme, but also stands out during low-light play. The easy-to-operate coaster brake enhances safety, enabling kids to stop smoothly with minimal effort. Product 10. Product name: Wise Beach Cruiser Bike. The WEIZE Beach Cruiser Bike is a versatile 26-inch commuter bicycle designed for adult men and women seeking both comfort and style in their city rides. Featuring a durable high-carbon steel frame, this cruiser ensures long-lasting performance and stability on various terrains. Equipped with a 7-speed gear system, riders can easily adjust to different speeds and inclines, making it ideal for casual rides along the beach or daily commuting. The bike's ergonomic upright design promotes a comfortable riding posture, reducing strain on the back and shoulders during longer rides. Practical details such as front and rear fenders protect riders from splashes, while the rear rack and optional basket add convenient storage options for groceries, bags, or other essentials. Whether cruising through city streets or enjoying a leisurely ride by the shore, the Wise Beach Cruiser Bike combines classic cruiser aesthetics with functional features for a smooth, enjoyable cycling experience. Product 11. Product name: Mobo Triton Pro Adult Tricycle. The Mobo Triton Pro Adult Tricycle is a versatile and stylish three-wheel bike designed for both men and women who want a comfortable and stable riding experience. As a beach cruiser trike, it combines the classic laid-back cruiser style with the added stability of three wheels, making it ideal for leisurely rides along the beach, parks, or around town. Its pedal-powered design ensures a smooth and easy ride, perfect for those who want to enjoy cycling without worrying about balance or complicated gear systems. The tricycle offers enhanced comfort with its ergonomic seating and easy-to-reach handlebars, suitable for riders of various heights and fitness levels. Whether you're cruising on flat paths, running errands, or simply enjoying the outdoors, the Mobo Triton Pro Adult Tricycle provides a safe, fun, and eco-friendly way to get around with stability and ease. Product 12. Product name: Folding Electric Bike. The folding electric bike for adults is a versatile and powerful e-bike designed for both adults and teens, combining convenience, performance, and comfort in one compact package. Featuring a 14-inch frame that folds easily, this e-bike is ideal for commuters who need a portable and space-saving transportation solution. Equipped with a 750W peak motor, it delivers strong acceleration and smooth rides, capable of handling city streets and light off-road conditions. The bike also includes dual suspension, which enhances comfort by absorbing shocks from uneven terrain, making every ride enjoyable whether you're navigating busy urban roads or bumpy trails. An adjustable seat ensures a customizable fit for riders of varying heights, while the compact foldable design allows for easy storage and transport, perfect for apartment living, public transit, or car trunk storage. This folding e-bike is an excellent choice for daily commuting, recreational rides, or quick errands, blending convenience with powerful electric assistance for an effortless ride. Product 13. Product name: Electric Bike for Adults. This electric bike for adults is a powerful and versatile e-bike designed for both urban commuting and off-road adventures. Equipped with a 1500W peak motor, it delivers strong acceleration and a top speed of 28 miles per hour, which can be unlocked to reach up to 35 miles per hour for those seeking extra thrill and speed. The bike features 20-inch fat tires, providing excellent traction and stability across various terrains such as sand, snow, gravel, and rough trails. This makes it perfect for riders who want the flexibility to explore beyond city streets. Powered by a removable battery with options ranging from 624Wh to 1248Wh, this e-bike offers impressive range and convenience. The removable design makes charging hassle-free and enables extended rides by swapping batteries. Comfort and control are prioritized with dual suspension and dual brakes, ensuring a smooth and safe ride even on bumpy or steep surfaces. Product 14. Product name: Foldable Electric Bike. The foldable electric bike is a powerful and versatile e-bike designed for adults seeking both convenience and performance. Equipped with a robust 2000W peak motor, this bike delivers impressive power and speed, reaching up to 35 miles per hour, making it ideal for both urban commuting and off-road adventures. Its 48V25Ah removable battery provides an extended range of up to 100 miles on a single charge, ensuring long rides without frequent recharging stops. The fat 20-inch by 4.0-inch tires enhance stability and traction on various terrains, including dirt, sand, and snow, turning this e-bike into a true all-terrain dirt bike. Built for durability and lightweight portability, the bike features a magnesium alloy frame known for its strength and corrosion resistance. The folding design allows for easy storage and transport, perfect for riders with limited space or those who want to take their bike on trips. Product 15. Product name: Electric Bike for Adults. The Electric Bike for Adults is a compact, high-performance folding e-bike designed to offer an efficient, eco-friendly, and enjoyable commuting solution. Built with urban and recreational riders in mind, this e-bike combines robust power, extended range, and convenient portability, making it an ideal choice for city dwellers, weekend adventurers, and those seeking a reliable alternative to conventional transport. Key features: powerful 750W peak motor. This electric bicycle is equipped with a high-torque motor that delivers strong acceleration and smooth riding up to speeds of 22 miles per hour, making it ideal for city traffic and moderate hills. Dual range options. With removable battery capacities of 499.2 Wh and 749 Wh, riders can expect ranges of up to 28 or 40 miles, respectively, on a single charge, perfect for daily commutes, errands, or longer leisure rides. 14-inch folding frame. Designed for portability and storage efficiency, the 14-inch frame folds down easily, making it convenient to store in apartments, car trunks, or under a desk. Full suspension system. Featuring both front and rear suspension, this e-bike offers enhanced comfort by absorbing shocks and vibrations, ensuring a smoother ride on uneven roads or trails. Product 16. Product name: Foldable Electric Bike. The foldable electric bike for adults is a high-performance, versatile e-bike designed to meet the needs of modern commuters and outdoor adventurers. Equipped with a powerful 1000W peak motor, this electric bicycle can reach speeds of 30+ miles per hour, offering swift and efficient travel for both urban and off-road environments. A standout feature is its 48V20R removable lithium battery, providing an impressive range of up to 80 miles on a single charge, ideal for long-distance commuting or full-day excursions without worrying about recharging. The 20-inch fat tires enhance stability and grip, making this e-bike suitable for diverse terrains, including city streets, beaches, and mountain trails. Its foldable design adds to its convenience, allowing for easy storage in compact spaces like car trunks, apartments, or office corners. Product 17. Product name: Triton EB5 Electric Bike. The Triton EB5 Electric Bike is a versatile and reliable e-bike designed for adult riders seeking an efficient commuting and light trail riding solution. With its peak 500W brushless motor, the EB5 offers solid performance, reaching speeds up to 20 miles per hour, making it ideal for urban commuting, recreational rides, or moderate off-road use. The 360Wh removable battery delivers a maximum range of up to 40 miles on a single charge, depending on riding conditions and pedal assist level, providing sufficient power for daily travel needs. Equipped with 7-speed Shimano gearing, the EB5 allows riders to handle various terrains comfortably, while the 26-inch tires offer a balance of speed and stability. The inclusion of a front fork suspension enhances ride comfort by absorbing bumps and uneven surfaces, which is especially useful for city streets and gravel paths. Designed with practicality in mind, the removable battery allows for easy charging indoors, and the bike's sturdy frame supports a smooth, confident ride.